Yountville, California is known as a foodie bucket list destination. One of the reasons why is the 3 Michelin Star French Laundry restaurant owned and operated by Chef Thomas Keller. I used to wonder why the French Laundry is so famous. From the outside, it looks like a house. Come along for the journey as we discover the magic of the 3 Michelin Star French Laundry restaurant. The French Laundry is known around the world for elegance, excellent cuisine, and the art of serving. I gotta say, the outdoor area is pretty beautiful too. During the summer, they open it up to dinner singing. When you're outside, you get to peek behind the curtain to the magic as the kitchen has a window. Uh-oh, it's almost our reservation time.
Here we go.
If you're looking for that private dining experience for 8 to 12 people, French Laundry's got you covered. They got 2 separate private dining rooms. Most people opt to be one of the up to 60 people who are in the historic main building dining area. French Laundry can accommodate between 1 and 7 people per table. We start off with some off-menu small bites, in French called amuse-bouche. The first is the salmon tartare cornet. The next is an old-fashioned favorite taken to the next level, butter crackers with spicy cheese. Thomas Keller's signature dish at the French Laundry and the Per Se in New York is oysters and pearl. The oysters come from Island Creek Oysters in Duxbury, Massachusetts. The French Laundry grows most of the ingredients for its garden escarole salad across the street at its 3-acre garden. There isn't a moment during the 10-course meal that I didn't feel fully taken care of. This picture-perfect presentation is also a smorgasbord of great taste. This is definitely a food orgy. The chefs source their provisions from the highest quality providers. The French Laundry motto is to take those quality ingredients and elevate them to reach their full potential. Chef Thomas Keller thought the Diane St. Clair Animal Farm butter was the most extraordinary he'd ever tasted, so now you find it in his restaurants. The white quail is locally sourced from Wolf Ranch in Northern California and is cooked to perfection. Instead of the quail, you had the option to get risotto with black winter truffles. If you ever wondered what gourmet 3 Michelin Star corned beef and cabbage looks like, here it is. Adante Dairy is one of the local providers for French Laundry. Etude is an artisan small batch cheese they make for French Laundry. The grand finale is an assortment of desserts. After 9 courses, you wonder, how am I going to attack this?
Knock out the ice creams before they melt and then just work my way around it.
They do give to-go bags with menus and special treats. To top off what I consider a life-changing event, we're invited into the kitchen. The inclusion makes me feel like part of the French Laundry family. Now I understand a 3 Michelin Star restaurant is not just the food. Now our host tells us about the ingredients that come from the 3-acre garden across the street.
All the plates that you see in the vegetables, probably the 50%, 60% come from the garden. Especially the herbs, the flowers, all the garlic and the decorations, they come from there. We don't have orchards, so any apples or pears, when it's season, we'll bring them from out of, not our garden. But the majority of everything else, like the asparagus tonight, that comes from the garden across the street. Any spinach comes from the street. Have you had the chance to see it?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
Yeah. definitely. But it's a big amount.
Reservations at the French Laundry are elusive. Here's the secret: you got to go to the TOCK.com site. Reservations are offered on the odd-numbered calendar months on the 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Give it the thumbs up, and we'll see you later.